Exercise 17. Create document headers and footers using quick parts. Part of the Word 2007 Core Preparation Guide, brought to you by Shiftkey Solutions. In this exercise, we'll be talking about creating a footer using quick parts and creating a header using a built-in header. Step 1 of exercise 17 tells us to move our insertion point to the beginning of our document using the Control Home feature. Well, as you can see, I have done that already. On the Insert tab and in the Header and Footer group, we're going to click Footer. It will then give us a list of possible footers. There are some built-in footers to choose from, but we're going to come down and click Edit Footer. When we do, it opens up our footer with my insertion point blinking inside of it. And I'll also notice that I have a new tab available. This one is the Header and Footer Tools Contextual Design tab. From this tab, I'm going to go to the Insert group and click Quick Parts. And then I'll come down and choose Field. From there, I'm going to scroll down here in my field names down to File Name. Here it is now. Once I select File Name, it'll give me some options of format. I'm going to leave it just as it is by not applying any format. I'm going to click OK, and there's my file name. I'm going to press Tab one time, and then I want to add the date using a field. So I'm going to come to my Insert group and click Date and Time. And the one we want to choose is this third one down here. If I want to have this date automatically update every time I open this file, I would choose Update Automatically. When I choose Update Automatically, each time I open the document, the date will be updated to that current date. But for right now, we're going to leave it blank and click OK. That gives us today's date. Next, I want to add a built-in header itself. So I'm going to come to the Header and Footer group and click the Header drop down. Now here's my built-in section right here. So I'm going to scroll down until I find Tiles. And as I can see, I have a number of pre-built headers or built-in headers to choose from. I'm scrolling down to find Tiles, and here it is. So I click Tiles, it'll automatically insert it for me. So I'm going to scroll up to the header section, and here it is. This is what it looks like. I'm going to click in the Type the Document Title area, and I'm going to type in Sacramento Public Library. And then over in the Year Placeholder, I'll click inside there. And when I click inside there, I'll notice a couple things. It has a little drop down here because this is a date form field. So if I click this, I can choose any particular date I like. It won't make a difference because it's only going to display the year. So I'll click OK, or I'll click Today, and it gives me 2013. So from there, I want to close my header. There's a couple ways of doing it. I can click my Close Header, which will certainly take me back to my document. But you can also come and place your cursor here in your work area, your document area, and double click. It takes you back to your document. So far so good. Our document's shaping up nicely. Well, that concludes exercise 17, create document header and footer using quick parts. Thanks for joining me. Next, exercise 18, find and replace text.